guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Beauteque Monthly. If you guys don't know what Beauteque Monthly is, I'm going to link a video that I did explaining it more in depth in the eye, but basically overall recap is that Beauteque Monthly is a monthly subscription service. You get two options. So you can either do the Mask Maven, which will incorporate 9 masks, and that is great for all skincare lovers. Or if you want a little bit different and you want some masks, you want some beauty, hair care, all that jazz, and they do have the regular beauty box. So there are 2 different boxes, and every single month I do get these items sent to me for free, and I'm so thankful for Beauteque Monthly for sending them to me. I love these boxes. Literally, they just remind me to just sit back and have that like you relaxed day, you know? So I love using these products, love testing out different skincare, and a lot of these products have actually done wonders to my skin, to my hair, and I'm really loving them. So if you guys are interested to see what is in the box, then just keep on watching. But before we jump into that portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys to please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, so you will be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. EST. Without further ado, let's just jump right on into this video, guys. Alright, so I have the box right here, and as always they do just give me a little pamphlet, and in this pamphlet it just gives you guys 25% off of your first box. If you guys are interested in purchasing either the Mask Maven or the beauty box, then go ahead and use my discount code. My discount code is XOMelissa25, so it is just XOMelissa25, and this will get you 25% off of your first box. So the theme for this month's box is Lights Out. This is the October 2019 beauty box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get to unboxing everything. So I'm gonna first start off with the Mask Maven box, as always, because it is on top. And let me just open this up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I feel like they just upgraded their bags too, because on the little string it does say Beauteque Monthly, and I don't think their other bags, like the strings, ever said Beauteque Monthly on them. So I am just going to open this up. This is just a description of every single product that is in here. So first thing that we do get, this is the Fill the Black MJ Care sheet mask. So that is what this one looks like, and I think this is just the mystery item, so I'm really excited to see what this is. This is just a premium charcoal black mask, and charcoal is so good if you have oily skin. So I have super oily skin, so I know I'm gonna love that. The next thing that I have, ooh, this is the Ultra Nourishing Watermelon Pads. That is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, that just looks adorable. So this point pads are perfect for targeting areas on your skin in need of hydration. The watermelon extracts provides nourishing and moisturizing benefits of your face and are great for the winter season. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Usually I get dry like right around here, so I'm super excited to go ahead and test this out. I am loving it. The next thing I have, this is the Skin Traveler Wash Off Black Head Bubble Mask. Ooh, that looks fancy. So this wash off mask is formulated with colloin, which cleanses and exfoliates dead skin cells. It is known for its ability to detox skin, and it's perfect for anyone struggling with blackheads. This mask leaves behind clear skin while also preventing future pore clogging. So excited to test this out. I get blackheads like right here and right on my chin, so I'm so excited to try this one. The next one, this is the Black Food MG Gel Lip Zone Mask. Ooh, so I get like really dry and like stuff right around here, so I'm really excited to test this one out. That is what this looks like. Made with 17 kinds of black food extracts, including black bean and blueberry. This gel mask helps to draw out impurities from your skin and promote an even skin tone. It targets the skin around your lip area, will help calm and soothe any dry or dehydrated skin. So excited to test this out. That is literally one of my problem areas, so I'm so ready. The next one that I have, oh, this is a cute like packaging. I really like this one. This is the Volcanic Ash Essence Sheet Mask. And this mask features the main ingredient, volcanic ash, which is used for the synthesis of collagen in skin and in Mother Nature's exfoliant. It's great for treating troubled skin, such as acne, pores, and works as a good exfoliator by getting rid of dead skin cells. I am so excited because I'm oily and I'm acne, so this is great. The next one, this one kind of looks like the sister one, but this one is the Charcoal Essence Sheet Mask. So this one is composed of rich mineral deposits that keep your skin healthy and work to draw out toxins from your skin. It's also enriched with 6 different grain extracts that will help to add an extra layer of moisture to your skin. And I feel like during the fall winter time, which is the season we're in right now, my skin gets super dry and super like flaky, so this will definitely help me. The next one, oh, this is cute. This is the SOS Clinic Mask Blemish. That looks so darn cute. So this is formulated with cedar, tree, and gold extracts, which help to treat blemishes and maintain a healthier and looking complexion. Say goodbye to blemishes and pesky breakouts and hello to flawlessness with this mask. I'm excited because I break out, so I'm ready to try that. The next one, this packaging looks really cute too. This is the Snail Beauteque Green Essence Mask. Ooh, snail. Oh, interesting. That is what this one looks like. So this mask features snail essence, which is known to target acne, scars, and skin damage. It will provide you with hydrated, brightened skin. I didn't know that snail was good for like acne scars. That like looking upon it, I'm like, oh my god, I don't think I would ever want to try anything that has snail in it. But to be honest, a lot of beauty products actually have snail in them, so I'm excited to see how that works for my skin. And this one is really cool because this one is actually 3-step. So this one, step 1, we have the waterfall essence. Step 2, we have an all-face eye cream. And then step 3 is the mask. So that is what this looks like. This is the JM Solutions 3-step Marine Luminous Pearl Deep Moisture Mask. So this one includes an essence, sheet mask, and an eye cream. It features pearl extracts as the main ingredient, which helps to brighten up dark spots due to acne, scarring, and sun damage. So I have a lot of like scarring and texture on my cheeks because about a year ago my skin just went through it. So I was left with a lot of scars and stuff, and I'm really excited to see how that works for my skin, if it works with my scars, and just how it works overall. So I'm really excited to test out all of these products. All these masks seem like amazing, so I'm so ready. All right, so the next thing that we do have, this is the Beauteque Monthly. This is just the beauty box, and I'm really excited to see what is in here. They have so many cool things. I'm so ready. So you open it up, and that is what this looks like. And I'm just gonna start digging in and just showing you guys what I get. So it did come with a little pamphlet as well. So as always, I'm just gonna show you guys what it says. So the first thing that we have, this is the, oh my god, this packaging, I'm obsessed. It looks like a soda can. Look at the top. That looks like a soda can. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Urban City Charcoal Clay Beer Wash Off Mask. I'm so excited. So this mask features charcoal powder, which helps cleanse your face and bring vitality to your skin. Just like a can of beer, the clay mask carbonates and creates micro bubbles when massaged into your skin. It helps to remove impurities from your pores and make your skin look moisturized and smooth. So I'm supposed to apply a little bit on my face, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then gently massage with a small amount of lukewarm water and then wash it off. So this is so cool. I love bubble masks, but they make my face so itchy because they're like constantly going. But I'm really excited to test this out. They're so fun. If you haven't tried a bubble mask, go ahead and try one because they are so fun. The next thing I have, ooh, okay, so this is an eyeshadow. this eyeshadow. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a pretty like pink. I would probably use it as blush. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I think that would be a really pretty blush, but as a eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pigmented too. Look at that. That is so pigmented. That looks so pretty. Okay, so this eyeshadow is made with Real Pink Me Up. The pigmented eyeshadow is a beautiful shade and can be applied all over your lid as a highlight or the inner corner of your eyes. I'm really obsessed with this. This is super pigmented. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't think it was gonna look like this. I'm loving it. The next thing that I'm gonna pull out, oh, this is cute. Like, if you guys don't know, jewels and like glitter and all that stuff is totally in right now, and that is just so darn cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this enhance your makeup look with these fun gems. These easy to use jewel stickers are perfect for a costume party or music festival, and they're really easy to use. All you have to do is just stick them on your face, and you can definitely reuse them. And you can add a little bit of eyelash glue if they start to lose their like stickiness. So this is so fun. I see a lot of people put them in their brows or on the corner of their eyes or even like right here. I'm loving it. I think this is so cute, and I'm gonna be honest, this is actually my first pair of like face like jewels, so I'm really excited to test these out and see how they work for me. The next thing I'm going to pull out, this is the black peeling pad. So that is what this looks like, and this gentle yet effective double-sided peeling pad removes dead skin cells completely and provides intensive care for your skin. It's formulated with charcoal powder and black food extracts, including black bean, black sesame, and black rice, which helps to tighten pores and moisturize your skin. Tighten pores, y'all know this is for me because I always say how like I wish my pores were smaller, so I'm really excited to test this one out. The next thing, this is, oh my god, this is a bubble lip mask. That is so cute. Okay, so this is enriched with vitamin C lemon extracts. This bubble mask will help brighten, moisturize, and soften your skin. And the lip mask will reduce wrinkle and dead skin cells on the lips and leave it smooth and supple. So I'm really excited to test this out. This is what it looks like, and I think you just like apply it. Let me see. Hygienist layer over the entire lip area. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for bubbles to appear. Gently massage the bubbles in and around your lips and wipe off with a damp washcloth. So that is really cute. I'm so excited to try this. I've never tried a bubble mask like for my lip. The only lip like masks that I have tried are like the Lil Naj lip mask or just other like moisturizing lip masks. I've actually never tried one that is specifically for the lips that bubbles. So that sounds awesome. The next thing that I have, this is the Urban City Kiss and Tell Tension Lipstick, and that is what the color looks like. So let me go ahead and open this up and just tell you guys a little bit about it. So the colorful bright lips are just one coat away with a lipstick. The texture of the lipstick is very smooth and soft and will provide moisture while keeping your lip color all day. Whether you're going to work or going to party, this is the perfect lip product to produce an effortless lip. That looks so pretty. That lip color, oh my god, that's so orange. I'm living. That is such a nice like summer spring color. I'm obsessed, and that's actually very pigmented as well. It felt very creamy, very moisturizing. I really like it. So that is everything that I got in this box, guys. I have to say I'm really loving it. I really love everything that I got, and I feel like this is definitely going to be put to good use. And I'm going to be honest, this is actually the first month that I actually received makeup items from here, so I'm so excited to test out the makeup, see how it works for my skin, and just keep you guys posted on everything. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you all did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like this video. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. But that is it, guys. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing either the Mask Maven or the regular beauty box, make sure to use my code XOMelissa25, and that will get you 25% off of your first month's box. But that is it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!